house on the market is valued at $285,000. $285,000. After several years, the value decreased by 9%. Okay, the first thing you want to deal with is the percentage, this 9%. And you are multiplying this. So we have 285,000 times 2 multiplied by a percentage. You get rid of the percent sign and take the decimal that's assumed to be at the end and move it 2 places to the left. Any wholes get zeros. So I'm going to have 0.09. When you multiply that, you get 25,650. Okay, that is the decrease. This house decreased by $25,650. Now to get the current value, you take the original value, 285,000, and subtract out the decrease in the value, 25,650. When you subtract that, you get 259,000. $350, and that is the current value of the house. The current value is $259,350. So that's the decrease and the current value. Okay, last year Rachel opened an investment account worth $5,500. So that's the amount she put in. At the end of the year, the amount in the account had increased by, even though it says increase, that doesn't mean you add here. You're always starting out by multiplying by the percentage. So increased by 28.2%. Okay, so that's the end of the sentence. So we're going to figure that out before we go on. So 5,500 times, to get rid of the percent, move the decimal 2 places to the left. So it's going to be in front of the 2, 0.282. When you multiply that, you get 1,551. Okay, that's the amount of increase, and this is money that we're talking about. Since that was an increase, you always take the original amount. If it's a decrease, you subtract. If it's an increase, you add. So I'm going to add $1,551 to that. And I'm going to get $7,051. So the money in the account at the end of the year is $7,051. The next model of a sports car will cost 13.6% more than the current model. The current model costs $45,000. Okay, so you start with the amount that's not a percentage and you multiply that by the percentage. So we're going to do 45,000 times, to get rid of the percent sign, move the decimal 2 places to the left. So it's going to be in front of the 1 now. So 0.136. When you do that, you get 6,120. Okay, now keep reading. How much will the price increase? So we are going to add. Okay, so that was the amount of increase, was $6,120. So if it was $45,000 and you're going to add $6,120 to that, the price of the next model is going to be $51,120. $51,120.